Future Focus Films, producing professional media on the green economy and a sustainable future. Today, I'm in a bus. REV Mobilities is a French mobility startup. They take old vehicles, classic cars, buses, trucks, and vans, and retrofit them with electric equipment to make them electric vehicles. This is extremely important for a city like this, like in Monaco, where all the cars are diesel. Even when you walk around, you can just smell the diesel. Imagine if all those vehicles were changed to electric vehicles and given an extra 15 years of life.
Hi, my name is Arnaud Pigonides. I'm the CEO of REV Mobilities Pepper France. We do retrofitting, that means electric conversions of cars, old cars, vans, professional vans, industrial vans, and as well heavy vehicles like trucks and buses. And this bus is kind of an extraordinary thing because it's an 18 years old bus that normally goes to be recycled or sold in poor countries. But what we do is that we keep it and we make it something extraordinary, that is to make it electric. By making it electric, you can use it 10 more years, so that's more 30% of life cycle added. And it, instead of a diesel engine, you have an electric engine with some batteries, enough to do more than 200 kilometers. And this is unbelievable that we had to fight and create a law in France to do it. This is what we did. This is something that can be done on all the 40 million vehicles that are in France. There's 90,000 buses in France. It's a new generation to give a second life to any vehicle.
So in the building behind me, they made an ambitious law saying that by the end of 2022, they want to have all public transport either hybrids or electric. 30% of Monaco's emissions come from transport. However, that will be changing. That's Future Focus. See you next time.